She has purchased and sold numerous homes with a knack for finding good deals. As her mother playfully notes, she buys homes like others buy shoes. The following tips have proven effective for her. Purchase a home within an affordable range to avoid the risk of financial strain and potential foreclosure. Being financially secure is crucial. Seek a house with good structural bones despite poor aesthetics. Superficial issues like paint and carpets can be fixed, while a solid foundation in plumbing, electrical, and roofing adds instant value. Opt for the least desirable house in a high-quality neighborhood. It will likely appreciate in value with some effort put into it. Employ a thorough home inspector and actively participate in the inspection process. This not only aids in negotiation but also serves as a checklist for future maintenance. Secure a fixed interest rate for the mortgage and maintain a good credit score to navigate market fluctuations successfully. Understand the local housing market by researching recent sales on platforms like Zillow. This knowledge helps in making competitive offers based on market conditions. Evaluate the safety of the neighborhood using crime maps, as attractive homes may be located in less desirable areas. Avoid properties with homeowners association with fees, as they are permanent, can increase, and may impede full property ownership. Explore potential additional income streams, such as renting out a room or utilizing spaces for Airbnb. Ensure a significant down payment to avoid paying private mortgage insurance, and reducing monthly expenses. Consider renovation opportunities, as purchasing a fully finished home may result in overpayment. Doing some of the work afterward can save money. Clearly define must-haves and nice-to-haves before starting the search, understanding priorities from the outset. Look past initial appearances, as professionally staged homes may hide flaws, and seemingly messy homes may have hidden potential. Factor in maintenance considerations such as yard size and driveway length to avoid unforeseen challenges. These tips, derived from her experience, are helpful for newcomers. She recommends seeking guidance from friends in real estate or experienced investors when looking for homes, as they can provide valuable insights. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.